Now let's take our vamping to another level. So initially I taught you that's one way, and I told you to learn this progression. Just on your left hand, because we are going to be doing something on the right hand and it will sound like this. Let's add a beat to that and see how it sounds. Sorry. Okay, so this groove is usually played with but I'm teaching you vamping, so I'm showing you how to vamp that groove with chords. So the left hand, as I told you earlier, plays one, 4, 5, 4, 1, 4, 5, 4, 1, 4, 5, 4, 1. The right hand, it plays 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1. I am sorry, 1, 1, 5, 5. And in an inverted manner, the 3, 5, the 1. Sometimes you can throw in the 6. Then the next chord, inverted A flat chord, major chord. This is E flat, A flat, C. So 1, 1, 5. So it's like this. So is that an intro? You can play this as an intro or an interlude. So let me quickly break that down. Key of C sharp. So it goes E, or the 3, third. So 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1. 6, 5. Sorry, I skipped this note. So just go down the diatonic scale. Then you play chord 6.